What is the process by which food is broken down into simpler substances in the body? A. Absorption. B. Digestion. C. Circulation. D. Respiration. The correct answer is option B, digestion. Which of the following is not a function of the circulatory system? A. Transporting nutrients. B. Regulation of body temperature. C. Filtering waste products. D. Transporting oxygen. The correct answer is option C, filtering waste products. What is the pigment responsible for giving plants their green color? A. Chlorophyll. B. Carotene. C. Xanthophyll. D. Anthocyanin. The correct answer is option A, chlorophyll. Which part of the flower produces pollen? A. Stamen. B. Pistil. C. Sepal. D. Petal. The correct answer is option A, stamen. What is the outermost layer of the skin called? A. Dermis. B. Hypodermis. C. Epidermis. D. Subcutaneous tissue. The correct answer is option C, epidermis. What is the name of the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Thyroxine. D. Adrenaline. The correct answer is option A, insulin. Which of the following is not a function of the urinary system? A. Regulation of blood pressure. B. Regulation of electrolyte balance. C. Production of urine. D. Digestion of food. The correct answer is option D, digestion of food. What is the scientific term for the process of cell division? A. Mitosis. B. Meiosis. C. Replication. D. Transcription. The correct answer is option A, mitosis. Which of the following is not a type of plant tissue? A. Dermal tissue. B. Ground tissue. C. Vascular tissue. D. Muscular tissue. The correct answer is option D, muscular tissue. What is the function of the gallbladder? A. Production of bile. B. Storage of bile. C. Filtration of blood. D. Digestion of proteins. The correct answer is option B, storage of bile. Which of the following is not a function of the lymphatic system? A. Transport of fats. B. Production of hormones. C. Removal of excess fluids. D. Immune response. The correct answer is option B, production of hormones. What is the process by which an organism grows and develops? A. Metabolism. B. Homeostasis. C. Reproduction. D. Growth. The correct answer is option D, growth. Which of the following is not a component of the male reproductive system? A. Testes. B. Urethra. C. Ovary. D. Penis. The correct answer is option C, ovary. What is the function of the pituitary gland? A. Regulation of blood sugar levels. B. Production of bile. C. Secretion of growth hormone. D. Digestion of proteins. The correct answer is option C, secretion of growth hormone. Which of the following is not a type of blood cell? A. Neutrophil. B. Lymphocyte. C. Thrombocyte. D. Osteocyte. The correct answer is option D, osteocyte. What is the function of the lens in the eye? A. Regulation of light intensity. B. Secretion of tears. C. Refraction of light. D. Protection of the eye. The correct answer is option C, refraction of light. Which of the following is not a component of the central nervous system? A. Brain. B. Spinal cord. C. Nerves. D. Cranial nerves. The correct answer is option C, nerves. What is the name of the process by which plants absorb water and nutrients from the soil? A. Photosynthesis. B. Transpiration. C. Respiration. D. Absorption. The correct answer is option D, absorption. Which of the following is not a function of the stomach? A. Storage of food. B. Mechanical digestion. C. Absorption of nutrients. D. Chemical digestion. The correct answer is option C, absorption of nutrients. What is the function of the alveoli in the lungs? A. Production of mucus. B. Exchange of gases. C. Filtration of air. D. Regulation of blood pressure. The correct answer is option B, exchange of gases. Which of the following is not a component of the female reproductive system? A. Ovary. B. Uterus. C. Vas deferens. D. Fallopian tube. The correct answer is option C, vas deferens. What is the name of the process by which food is converted into energy in the body? A. Digestion. B. Absorption. C. Respiration. D. Circulation. The correct answer is option C, respiration. Which of the following is not a function of the endocrine system? A. Regulation of metabolism. B. Regulation of body temperature. C. Production of hormones. D. regulation of growth and development. The correct answer is option B, regulation of body temperature. What is the function of the cilia in the respiratory system? A. Production of mucus. B. Filtration of air. C. Exchange of gases. D. Regulation of blood pressure. The correct answer is option B, filtration of air. What is the function of the kidneys? A. Regulation of blood pressure. B. Production of bile. C. Filtration of blood. D. Digestion of proteins. The correct answer is option C, filtration of blood. Which of the following is not a component of the respiratory system? A. Lungs. B. Diaphragm. C. Liver. D. Trachea. The correct answer is option C, liver. What is the process by which plants absorb sunlight and convert it into energy? A. Transpiration. B. Respiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Osmosis. The correct answer is option C, photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? A. Protection of internal organs. B. Production of blood cells. C. Regulation of body temperature. D. Production of digestive enzymes. The correct answer is option C, regulation of body temperature. What is the function of the adrenal glands? A. Regulation of blood sugar levels. B. Regulation of blood pressure. C. Production of hormones. D. Digestion of proteins. The correct answer is option C, production of hormones. Which of the following is not a type of blood cell? A. Erythrocyte. B. Leukocyte. C. Thrombocyte. D. Neuron. The correct answer is option D, neuron. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Latest education